guys, welcome back. It's your girl Neki Cakes, and welcome if you're new. Today is my wash day and I am currently rocking a day 8 wash and go. I know, day 8 wash and go. I know. My scalp, oh, look at that, look at my roots, okay? When you see the moisture, when your scalp lays like that, it's perfect, okay? That is good moisture retention. Just a quick setup before I get into applying my deep conditioner. I came up with this deep conditioner because months prior, I've had really bad dry scalp, itching and flaking. And no matter if I washed my hair every week, and no matter if I didn't put products on my scalp, no matter if I oiled my scalp, it didn't matter. I had to go to my dermatologist. She did recommend me a good shampoo, which helped a lot. But I also needed something to help with the dryness, because after you shampoo, obviously you need something to put back the moisture. And I couldn't use any store-bought product to apply on my scalp. I decided to make my own deep conditioner, which I've been doing for the longest time, but I've never been so consistent as I have been in the past months. So pretty much for the past, I think, 2-3 months now, I've been making my own deep conditioner, and I've also been making my own leave-in conditioner, which I apply directly onto my scalp. This deep conditioner, I'm not gonna lie, has really helped to lay down my roots, helped to tame my frizz. So my routine for today is to do a hair juice rinse and then apply my deep conditioner, rinse it out, and then style. I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I'll be right back to apply the deep conditioner. My deep conditioner starts with 1 banana to help with frizzy hair, 1 egg for strength, 1 avocado to add shine and prevent breakage, 1 big spoon of Greek yogurt for nourishment, 2 tablespoons of molasses to help soften my hair, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to help balance my hair and scalp pH. For slip, 2 tablespoons of hempseed oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of slippery elm powder, 2 tablespoons of marshmallow root powder, half a tablespoon of Amla powder. The 3 powders help to condition, moisturize, and boost your hair growth. I pre-mix all 3 powders in a bowl with 3 to 5 tablespoons of hot water, then add all ingredients to my blender. I strain the deep conditioner at least twice using a stocking cap and a nut bag. This is to prevent any little bits getting stuck in my hair. I rinsed out the hair juice, and my hair is pretty much very wet. I transfer the deep conditioner to the nozzle bottle for easier application. I'm gonna give it a good shake. I'm gonna start with the back, of course, as per usual. And how I like to apply the mask, I like to start with the roots, and then I work my way down. And then I'm going to finger detangle. But mostly I'm gonna smooth everything in. Ooh. I can feel it dripping. Ooh, look at that tangle. Gotta make sure you really get, look at that. Imagine if I were to use a tangling brush or a comb, that would just rip out my hair. So it's always good to take your time, especially if you have fine hair like me. Your hands will be your best friend. So the mask is fully applied. My hair is drenched in it, and I'm going to sit for about 1 hour. I prefer to do 1 hour to an hour and a half, but you can go ahead and do a half an hour if you like. I sit with it uncovered. I do not put a plastic cap on my head. I allow it to air dry, and then I will hop in the shower, rinse out in cool to lukewarm water, and then I will apply my DIY leave-in conditioner in the shower, let that sit, shower, and then come out and apply my oil and then my gel. It has been officially an hour and 15 minutes since I applied the hair mask to my hair. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but the hair gets super clumped, like really clumped. Show you the back. My hair absorbed a lot of this hair mask. The hair is not wet. It's like slightly a little sticky because obviously there's a lot of product on it. But look at the, before you saw my scalp, it was like full of the hair product, but you can tell the scalp absorbed. And look at my roots, like where the frizz at. That's what I'm talking about. That is a good deep conditioning mask where everything will lay down flat. And it's time to rinse out. Yeah, it's time to rinse out. Wash day is fully complete. I want to show you guys. I do have a little bit of like frizz, but it's not crazy. Only because my Kinky Curly Curling Custard has finished and I am waiting on the delivery man to drop it at my home. I had to use the Amla gel. I forgot what it's called, but I'll go ahead and insert it right here. I used my DIY leave-in conditioner and then Jamaican black castor oil, and then I used the Amla curling gel. This is my first time using this hair gel, so hopefully the style will last and bring me to another 7 days until wash day. It is working. It is working, especially my shedding has gone down. Breakage, nada, like it's laid. And when it's laid, like when the hair is laid, it's so much better. Like there's no complaints. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here and continue air drying my hair. And I'm hungry. It's time to eat. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And you already know, I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.